Dreams by Jeremiah Morelli, version 3 special treatment. We start the special treatment with ice crystals that we have placed on the blue areas in the picture. So these are the blue areas that represent not only her blanket but also the scenery. As you can see that this image merges two images together, as this is her dream. So that also represents the sky in her dream. And then for version 2, we have titanium diamonds that we have sprinkled on the purple areas right over here, as well as some over here. And then for version 3, we've got electric diamonds sprinkled in the background in the sky over here of her dreams, which also merges with an image of a child's drawing. So this represents the paper, and we've got the electric diamonds over here. Also for version 3, we've got rose gold diamonds that we have sprinkled on the lines of her drawings. So once again, for Jeremiah Morelli's Sweet Dreams Special Treatment version 3, we have ice crystals, titanium diamonds, electric diamonds, and rose gold diamonds.